choice, I choose voice. Pass a pen into my left hand to get it deployed. Step in the void like the missing piece, dismissing gross greed and asking why you consumers keep buying shit you don't need. Forget to see there's plenty more fish in the supermarket. All you can eat, unlocking vultures like a moving target. The ham sparks preserving everything that's sacred. Charlie ain't my king, now my king is King David. I think deeper than your average bling reaper. Cringe diva reveling in misdemeanor, shit's egregious. But my motto is don't hate the player, change the game. Play it wrong and one day your audience will fade away. For the rescue I need a breakfast of champions. Pumping rebel bass layered up with ambience. Nobody's complaining about my style this far, cause music tames the beast where the wild things are. Yo, love has no borders and everyone's welcome. Love has no borders, come on and let's build. Love has no borders and everyone's welcome. Love has no borders, come on and let's build. I hear no evil, I see no evil. I never trust TV, it indoctrinates people. Them greedy want your bankers making us fuss and fight. Like Bill Hicks told us, man, this life is just a ride. Far right, or far wrong, I keep left. You serve us no justice and there'll be no peace. Next we'll take home the crown, its whereabouts will be secret. The pyramid of power crashing down to what